Welcome back to my channel.
I am Remy Madison. Hit that
subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your post notifications so you never miss an upload with me.
I post 2 times a week.
If you want to see more of this face, you can follow me down below on all my socials. I also have a podcast for you to check out, and I have launched RM virtual courses where I teach you how to get a booty, how to get abs, and how to shuffle.
This Friday, January the 15th, is the very first shuffle class. It is a beginner-friendly shuffle class. I'm going to be teaching you moves like the running man, the T-step, and the Charleston. It's virtual. The link will be down below. It is live, and afterwards you receive a recording of the class. It is only $5 to join the class, so make sure to do that now. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to shuffle for beginners. I'm going to teach you 2 basic moves, which are the running man and the T-step. So without further ado, let's get to the dancing. So first, I'm going to be teaching you the running man, and this is what it looks like. From the front, this is what it looks like. And the second move I'm going to be showing you today is the T-step. But first, we're going to do the running man, so let's get into that. Get up off your couch and get ready. So for the running man, we're going to start feet shoulder width apart, but I'm going to show you from the side. What you're going to do is you're going to pick up one leg and pike it into a triangle so that your foot that is up is beside your knee, and you're forming a triangle with your upper thigh and your lower thigh. So you should see a gap between your legs. So you're going to point your toe downwards, have your knee spiking outwards in line with your hip. From there, we want to land. So we're going to jump both our feet outwards. So the foot that is piked up in the triangle shape is going to push forward, while the foot that is holding all the weight right now, the foot that is standing alone, is going to jump backwards. So again, the foot that is piked up is going to shoot forwards. You're going to land flat on your foot, and then the foot that is standing, so the leg that is currently straight, is going to jump backwards, and then you're going to form a triangle with the ground. So you're going to kick the leg that's piked out, land, kicking the back leg, and now you're forming a triangle with the ground. So there's a little bit of width space between your feet. You're not in a direct straight line, so just make sure you have a little bit of space. Step 2, now that you've formed a triangle with the ground, is you want to do basically what you did on the first leg to the other leg. So you're going to bend both your knees, making sure they're soft, and you're going to come back up to the center. So jumping your back leg now up, which is now going to be the piked leg, and then the front leg, which was previously piked, is going to be the single standing leg. So you want to start in your triangle ground position. You're going to bend both your knees and jump both your feet to the center. Your back leg is going to come up and now be the leg that is in the triangle, and your front leg is going to be the standing leg. So essentially the move is you start in a flag position. If you can tell, it kind of looks like a flag when one of your legs is straight and the other is piked into a triangle. You're moving from a flag to a triangle with the ground. Quickly, here's the back view so you can follow along while you're watching on your video to see how you're doing. And this is the front view again. Notice how your feet are not directly together. There's a little bit of a gap in between, and you're landing soft on your knees. And that's the basic running man. There you go. Just make sure you're keeping your upper torso relatively straight. Moving on to the T-step, I'm going to pick a base leg. In this case, I'm picking my right leg. The base leg is the one that is pivoting on the ground, while the other one is essentially in the air doing the tapping motion. So with your base leg, my right leg, I'm just shifting the weight of my foot to my toe and to my heel. So I shift my toe to the left, shifting the weight of my foot, and then I'm going to shift it to the right. So I'm picking up my toe and I'm going to shift it over. In this case, it's to my left, to your right. Now the weight is on my toe. Then I'm going to pick up my heel slightly and I'm going to shift that also to my left, to your right. So the base foot of the T-step is just going to keep doing that in one direction. So whatever leg is the base foot, you're going to move in the opposite direction. So if I'm using my right foot as a base foot, I'm going to move to the left. If I'm using my left foot as a base foot, I'm going to move to the right. And here is the back view so you can follow along with this, get a better gauge of what it looks like. With the other foot that's in the air, as your base foot is pivoting to one side, what you're going to do with the foot that is in the air is you're going to tap it in a diagonal motion towards the direction you are moving. As the base foot pivots inward, the other foot also comes inward, driving your knee upwards. As the base foot twists outwards, you also drive the other foot down, and this is a diagonal slash. So your feet come into your body and out of your body at the same time. So feet come in together and out together. Here's the back view of the move put together. So you can see here again, as your driving foot shoots downward diagonally, your other foot is pivoting outwards towards your body. Then as your driving foot comes back in towards your body, your base foot twists in towards your body to the side that you are moving. Here's a side view of the movement. So that's the T-step on one leg. For the other leg, it's the exact same thing. You're just going to switch your base foot, pivot, and then with the other foot, you're going to drive down in a diagonal motion towards the direction you're moving, forming a triangle with the ground. Now that you've got these two basic moves down, you're going to kill it at shuffling. Just practice until you get better and get super flowy with these moves. And trust me, these two moves together will make you look so put together. Play out with different combinations of the two. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was helpful. Now we can all shuffle together at the next rave, whenever the hell that happens. If you want to learn more, if you want more one-on-one teachings from me, sign up for this Friday's shuffle class. It is going to be so amazing. I'm going to have more shuffle classes after that, but if you want a little intro, make sure to do that. You'll also receive a recording after. It's going to be a super fun, easy class. And that's it for me today, so I'll talk to you guys on Friday in my next video. Bye!